All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the history brush tool. So if I go right here and I right click, we have the history brush tool and then the art history brush tool. So if I hover over this, it restores parts of an image to an earlier stage. Okay, so we can go here and we can select this. And it's not taking me to an early part of the thing, which is fine. Let's try the art history brush. Okay, that just kind of went on its own and did its own thing. But that's kind of cool. Okay, so I'm going to kind of add this effect to it. I'm going to make myself a painting, kind of. This effect. Okay, and then we're going to use the other tool. So I've kind of turned myself into a watercolor, which is cool. It's really cool with the beard too, because right now I don't even have the beard, so in fact, let's do this. Let's make it a bigger size. And then, like I said, we'll have fun with this. Okay, so maybe too much fun. Okay, so I'll go back to the profile picture and we'll try this again. Okay, so when I did that, I kind of jacked everything up. So I'm going to shrink it down and then we'll just do this again. Remember, never be afraid to experiment with a tool, because that's how you learn a tool, is by playing with it. That's how I learned Photoshop. I learned it a long time ago, but I never stopped learning. And I always learn something new. So you can see here we painted this here, and now we can go to the art history brush and we can go back and do that. Okay, so that's the history brush tool and the art history brush tool. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.